Oh yeah? Shoot, it's hot. What up guys? So something happened to me today, okay? And of course something always has to happen. Always. It's like you can't just like drive a car without something ever happening. So as I was driving, okay, every time I would accelerate, it's like I heard like this fizzing noise coming from my engine bay, and I'm like, what the seriously, do you really have to make noises right now, right? You just freak out. And so as I stop and I get home, dude, like freaking coolant is leaking out just like a little bit, okay? So I'm like, gosh damn, here goes another fix, right? And of course it's on my freaking daily. I'm trying so hard not to cuss right now. So I open up the hood, and when I open up the hood, like, yo, there was coolant all the way backed up. Like, the coolant was, like, touching the top of this reservoir tank, and it was sizzling out of, like, this top, like, right above the seam area. You could just tell, and that lets me know, like, yo, hey, your reservoir tank is hella cracked, bro, right? So I'm like, oh, damn, okay, cool. As soon as I turn it off, though, I hear it. I hear, like, the coolant going back through the lines, right? And I could just hear it. It's almost like the car is eating up the freaking coolant again. And now there's no coolant in it. It's hot in here, all right? It's hot. I'm gonna be replacing it later tonight, so it won't be as hot, so why am I complaining, right? Anyways, I just don't want to do shit today. That's why I'm complaining. I don't want to do shit. Oh, what was I saying? So I literally replaced the AC compressor, vacuumed out my car, and re-topped it off with new coolant like 3-4 weeks ago, okay? And this shit happened. So I'm like, gosh, motherfucking dang, like, come on. In a little bit, I'm gonna be leaving. I'm gonna change out of my work clothes and handle the damn thing. So I put this massive tarp down under it to see if it's leaking, and nothing's leaking. An hour or two, if anything's leaking still. And if nothing's leaking, then we should be good just replacing the reservoir. Yeah. So I need you to help me pick up something.
Pick up something?
Yes, to get my card and pick up a reservoir tank for me.
Okay.
Because it cracked.
Do they have it?
Yes, Rittenhouse.
Are you stranded somewhere?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
I'm just kidding. No, I'm home. I'm home.
Oh, you did.
I know, I was gonna play along with that a little bit, but I was like, no, it's okay, not today. She has all those dogs in her car. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, open it.
You need the reservoir.
The coolant reservoir
I think
tank.
they gave you the overflow tank.
I said, why didn't you didn't make sure? You didn't ask?
It says right here, coolant reservoir.
I hope so. Got me freaking out. Usually you'll check it at the counter. I'm surprised you didn't check it.
I didn't know what you ordered. Does this look right?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Beautiful.
There it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, out of the street.
She's older, she can come in.
Mm-hmm. All right, boo-boo, you ready? Hey, no street, okay?
No street!
Watch out! Bye-bye. Okay, so we got the new one, right? Now, I waited for her to cool down just like a little bit so she's not like hella hot. And I'm gonna use this because I'm pretty sure once I take the hoses out from the reservoir, some coolant's gonna come out. So pretty sure I'm gonna need this. Hopefully it'll catch most of it. This is pretty big.
He's so strong.
Hey guys!
Yeah, you got it for me? Look at you go.
Good job, baby.
Baby,
Can I have it? Oh, thank you.
Let go.
Good girl. Here we go, perfect. Oh,
Yeah, girl, give her the new one.
shit, right?
Why would you give her the new one?
Because I was trying to not make her cry.
Well, give her the old one.
I should have, but it has coolant all over it. Like the difference in how terrible this one is.
That one looks just dirty.
Yeah, and like that one's like all clean, huh? Look at her like trying to hold it. So now I'm going to put the new one in. Super easy. Can it zoom in? I got cut on the easiest repair in the world. Like, how come you always hurt yourself no matter what you're doing?
I think spark plugs are the
Like,
easiest thing.
that's ridiculous. I'm not even proud of that.
I'm not even proud of
No.
that.
He thinks spark plugs is easier. Psych.
It depends on your skill level.
This was way easier.
You think so?
Yeah.
You cut your...
I'm just gonna drive around the block real quick. You wanna drive with me for a little bit? Yeah? Okay. So we're gonna drive around the block, come back, and make sure we don't have anything extra to top off. So we'll see, huh? So say be right back.
Be back.
Say be right back.
Baby, rock.
No, you gotta tell them. Say be right back.
Baby, back.
did you do?
Batman.
You took Batman off! Okay, so as you guys can see, we're good to go. It looks like it's not gonna, it looks pretty good. So far it hasn't overflowed or anything. So I'm gonna see how it drives tomorrow. And hopefully there's no sizzling. I'm like low key nervous about it just because it's been happening for so long. So we're gonna close up. I'm gonna put the bumper back on and call it a night. And hopefully tomorrow when I get to work, it's good to go. Alright, I'm freaking burning up, so I'm gonna call it a night right now. See y'all next time. Check 1 2 1 2. Like, comment, and subscribe.